Hey guys, I'm encouraging you to come shopping with me in our own closets to give your wardrobe a new, fresh, up-to-date feeling without buying anything new. Whenever I look at current trends, I feel really inspired to look in my wardrobe and find out what I already have that fits that, and then I learn a whole new way to combine clothes, and it's super fun. Because of fast fashion making people feel like they have to get new clothes every season of every year, quality of clothes has really decreased, and we have also seen a huge problem with textile waste. We have tons and tons of clothes just flooding our dumpsters and our landfills, so let's try to not contribute to that textile waste and shop our own closets for this year and hopefully all future years. There's a lot of new trends out that are very inspired by our current climate and the crisis that we have been going through. So I'm really excited to show you some of my ideas for spring and summer fashion 2021. Let's go.
The first big trend that I'm excited about is big, bold, bright colors like pink and orange and red and yellows, all the bright colors. We're getting into trends where jeans can be looser fitting and more straight leg, which is very comfortable. You can mix up this outfit with different colored pants depending on how bright and bold you want to be. Putting a bag right there on your hip like that is a great way to just look a little more trendy. I'm just showing a variety of ways to wear different pants and shirts. A really fun thing to add color with is a hair scarf. It is so easy to just put it around your head, or you can put it in your ponytail. Those are so easy to add a huge amount of color and fun to your outfit. You can also throw it on your bag. Orange is a big bright color that is also super trendy this year. I have it paired with some baggy shorts that are very structured. That's a big key in all of this is structure. Belts around the waist this year are showing up all over the runway, super cinched waist with belts. You can wear something baggy or loose fitting, but make sure that you do cinch in your waist with a belt. A different bag, hairstyle, or shoe can completely change an outfit and the feel and the vibe. So please play around with so many different combinations because the possibilities are endless. It looks completely different than the last outfit just by changing the color. Whenever you change your hairstyle or your accessories, everything changes. Boyfriend t-shirts or oversized t-shirts can be really difficult to wear, so you can pull up the sleeves by rolling them up and then make sure you poof them out a little bit. I like to half tuck mine in to give a little shape to the outfit still. I'm very excited about trying all of my husband's shirts this year. This is also a really easy thing to thrift. There are just so many oversized men t-shirts in the thrift store, so it's so easy to find something that is in a color you like. I also really enjoy the trend of layering these oversized men's t-shirts with sweaters. I think that it gives such a good texture and it's so easy to do. It's really comfortable for a little bit colder of a night. Different accessories, of course, always change the look completely. Ignore how poorly I wear hair scarves. I am learning this. I'm still trying to figure it out, but as you can see, I feel like that was a completely different vibe from the last one just by adding a hair accessory. Baggy on baggy can be really difficult to pull off for some people, so if you are a little afraid of this trend here, I would say just stay away, but I just wanted to put this out here just in case anyone did want to try something like this.
I hope that you found great inspiration from clothes that you may have that are similar in your wardrobe that you can mix and match. I think that playing with colors this year is going to be so fun, trying new combinations of colors you never tried before and just exploring what you already have. I hope this inspired y'all to realize that we can still be mindful of current trends, dress however you want, and still not have to buy new things. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed or got some inspiration from my outfits, and I will see y'all in the next video.